Can you see why she was in charge later on, Dave?
Yeah.
She made a bad judgment call.
I mean, if we had to do it over again, it'd be done differently. We've always had animals. We've never intentionally hurting animals like that. I mean, our dogs are a little overweight because we feel bad when we go out, they cry when we come home, so we give them treats. You know, the little milk bones and stuff like that, they eat like that, me too. But it was a learning experience. Hopefully, you know, and I know, I don't even have to say hopefully, never go through it again.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
You know,
I believe they will never, ever make that choice again. As a result of being arrested, as a result of spending, they will never behave so thoughtlessly again.
Christine Torres, the vet tech who cared for the pup since the day they were rescued. Today, she's brought Matilda to visit her sister Sally, who's found a home with